Hello everyone, my name is Alijan Akter Jaspa. You can call me Jaspa. Today, I'm very interested to describe these photos. So let's get started. In the first picture, there is a boy and a girl, and the boy is helping the girl to stand up. And the second picture, there is a boy, and the boy is watering the plants. In the third picture, there is an innocent baby, and the baby is sleeping. In the fourth picture, there is also a girl, and the girl is cooking. In the fifth picture, there is a boy and a girl, and the boy and girl are cooking together. In the sixth picture, there is a pretty girl, and the pretty girl is eating. In the seventh picture, there is a pretty girl, and the girl is feeding her dog. In the eighth picture, there is also a pretty girl, and the girl is singing. In the ninth and last picture, there are many persons, and the persons are dancing together. That's all about the pictures. Thank you.